Welcome back to Poe Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your AI images, AI designs, to create a notebook cover in Canva. I'm using Canva Pro. Let me tell you about my page setup. My page setup is 8.5 by 11. This is a portrait orientation, and my DPI is on 300 DPI. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to upload my design. Let me upload something from my computer. One of my AI images, this lady. Let's go for this one. Okay, I'll place her here, and I know this image is still without background, so I'm going to remove the image. Go to edit design, BG remover, and like I told you, I'm using Canva Pro. So in here, you are able, with this subscription, you are able to do many things, including removing your background. And then I will click on apply, and after that I will brush it up like photogenic, give it a better color. I'll use fresco, and then the color is better, looks better. You will see later. I'll click on apply, and I've applied it now, and I will add one more page, and I will work on the background. I'll go to elements, and I'll go to my not in circles. Yeah, I'm go to my lines. This one, I'm gonna use this one. I'm going to make it wider, okay, and then I'm gonna make it smaller, not too small, like this, and I will turn it black. Okay, and then I'll bring it up to here. And I will duplicate it. Come on, I will duplicate for instance, let's say 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then I will bring one down here. Okay, and then I will select everything. I'll stand here and I'll select everything. I'll go to position and tidy up, and then it brings everything for you down there. And then I will group all. You can group all by selecting them. You see, you can ungroup, and I can group them. I'll group all. Okay, now I'll go in here and I'll type like golden circles. I need to be in elements. Let's go back. All the things I use. Let me see the name of this thing. The name is polka dot. I found it. Gold polka dots. Let's see. Oh yeah, yes, gold polka dots, and then you will find all these. Okay, I have this here. I'm going to flip it really quick horizontally, and I will drag it so that it can fit on my paper. And I'll go up, and I'll go back to the lady here, and I'm gonna duplicate her, and I'll drag her down. Okay, and then I will make her bigger, enlarge it. If you want, you can leave her standing like with her whole body, like whole body image. Let me flip it really quick. Flip horizontally. I'll put her on this side. I'm going to make her bigger, like really big, and put her here. Okay, place her here, and then I'll look for some flowers. Let me see. I used this flower. It was a pastel rose. Yeah, pastel rose. And I scrolled down and I found this one, and I took it and I put it here in the corner. Okay, I'll duplicate it, drag it down, flip it horizontally and vertically. Yeah, now place it here. Okay, after you have this, you can add some more things like these here if you want to. Okay, and write something right there, put a text there, put a text in it. It's up to you what you want to write here. Choose a very nice font, a very nice font, and then you write something like heading. Where is it? Here. Let's make it bigger. And then you write something like, say, blessed, and you change your text to the color, let's say black, and you change your font. I'll go here, I'll type calligraphy, and all the calligraphy fonts will come, and you can choose one that you love. To get the text, and you put in there whatever text you want to add in. Let's see this one. So this will it will be on your own. You will choose what you want to be there. If you want to put blast, if you want to put something else, it's up to you. But I only wanted to show you how you can use that image, your AI images, to create notebook covers. You can put kids here. You can have another background with other colors. You can put kids on it, little girls, little boys. Even if it's for men, you can put a dude on here. You can choose your colors by you can see this we created it out of like out of the boxes in the elements section, like line and shapes, and then we add the other stuff to them. So you can do a lot with them, a lot. So this is what I wanted to show you, and after you're done, you can download it. Let's go to download area, and like I told you, my size is 8.5 by 11, and I have it on 300 dpi pixels, 300 pixels. You don't have to worry about this. And then you choose, we're gonna do PNG. If you want, you can do PDF too, but you're going to choose only page 4. Okay, go here, not all pages, deselect this and choose only page 4, and download, and download. This is an PNG, and let's do PDF now. Go to PDF here and download only page 4. We're going to PDF for printing, and we're going to choose CMYK, and then I'm going to download the PDF also, so you can provide your customers in PNG format and PDF format. So let's go check them out. Okay, still coming in. Okay, this is our PNG format, and this is our PDF. It's still coming in. Okay, here is our PDF. Let's open it really quick. Okay, amazing. Amazing. Oh yeah, you see how amazing it is. Make sure that your golden dots are up top of the paper, the lines. You see how amazing it came out? Wow, I love it. I love it. So go and create your own. If you want to know how to list a digital file on Etsy, click on the link that you're seeing right now popping up. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and I know this class will help you. Thank you so much. Bye.